Welcome to StartRightHomes.com, your ultimate real estate library and trusted resource for everything real estate. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, or just looking for expert advice, we've got you covered with comprehensive tips, tools, and resources. Looking to buy your dream property? Explore our buying section for step-by-step guidance, tips on navigating the market, and advice on securing the perfect home, whether it's residential, commercial, agricultural, or even off-grid living. Thinking about selling your property? Head over to our selling page packed with strategies to maximize your property's value, attract the right buyers, make the right profit, and make the process seamless, even if you're going the for sale by owner route. Are you an investor? Dive into our investing section for expert insights on both residential and commercial properties. Learn how to evaluate opportunities, manage risks, grow your portfolio, or grow your real estate business with confidence. And for buyers and sellers seeking professional help, we proudly introduce our Pro Search feature. This powerful directory allows you to connect directly with vetted and top-rated real estate professionals who match your needs. From agents and mortgage brokers to appraisers, home inspectors, and real estate lawyers, our Pro Search ensures you have access to the best experts in the industry, all rated and trusted by consumers like you. Subscribe to StartRightHomes.com for real estate news and updates. At StartRightHomes.com, we're here to help you every step of the way, whether you're buying, selling, investing, or a real estate pro. With resources for everything and everyone real estate, we are your go-to source for real estate success. Explore StartRightHomes.com today and make your real estate journey smoother, smarter, and more rewarding. Visit StartRightHomes.com today.